Desh Hitkarni Sabha for the social reform was established, that was in the Udaipur, at which place the Jaipur Rajya Meena Sudhar Samiti was, that was in the Neemka Thana. And now next question is about Vijay Singh Pathing is related to the Seva Samiti, Chandraman Surana, that was related to the Marwad Hitkarni Sabha, K.C. Singh Bharat, that was Veerbhat Sabha, and the Hari Bhau Upadhyay, that was the Gandhi Ashram. Who established the Sampa Sabha, that was the Govind Guru. Who founded the Sampa Sabha, that was the Govindagiri. Who established the Seva Hitkarni Sabha Churu, that was the Swami Gopal Das. Which organization was founded the Swami Dayananda Saraswati Udaipur, that was the Parupkarni Sabha. How many states in India was unicameral, that was the 22 state. How many states in India have the bicameral, that was 7 is the bicameral. The post of the governor in Rajasthan has been created since, that was the 4 November 1956. Who is the constitution head of the state, that was governor. Which among the following first citizen of Rajasthan, that was the governor. Which following appoints the governor, that was president of India appoint करते हैं. Was the first governor of Rajasthan, that was Sardar Gurumukh Nihal Singh was the first governor. At the executive and the legislative power of the state is based, that was governor of the state. The tenure of the governor, that was the 5 year. The minimum maximum member in the state legislative assembly, that was the 60 and the 500. When did the first state assembly election held in Rajasthan, that was 1952. When was the Ajmer Mirwada and included the Rajasthan, that was November 1, 56. How many members are in Rajasthan State Assembly, that was 200. Who was the first speaker of first legislative assembly of Rajasthan, that was Shri Narottam Lal Joshi was the first speaker of the Rajasthan. Now next is role of women, I think. से पहले the revolutionary who convicted the Monot Pyarelal murder case, that was related K.C. Singh Bharat. Who founded the Vardhaman Vidyalaya, that was the Arjun Singh Sethi. And during the freedom struggle, which female was not sent to jail, that was Teja ji. Now some questions are there. First woman of Rajasthan who was arrested during freedom, and that name was Anjana Devi Chaudhary. She was arrested. Now next is Savitri Devi, that was related to the Jodhpur. Bhagwati Devi, that was related to the Lakshmi Devi Bikaner, and Kumari Kusum Gupta, that was Kota. Okay, Lakshmi Devi from Bikaner and Kusum Gupta from the Kota, Savitri Devi from the Jodhpur and the Bhagwati Devi from the Udaipur. Which woman did chairmanship of the session of Jaipur Praja Mandal, that was Janaki Devi Bajaj thi. Which institute was established the Narayani Devi, name is Mahila Shram. Who was the among one of the founder of Bikaner Praja Mandal, that was Lakshmi Devi Acharya. Who was the first woman to be arrested during the freedom movement of Rajasthan, that was Anjana Devi Chaudhary. The freedom fighter of Bikaner who led the Dudhwa Khara, that was the Ketubai. The freedom fighter of Jodhpur who wore the saffron colored sari, that was name of the Mahima Devi Kinkar. The residents of the Rastapal Dungarpur who sacrifices the life, that was the Kalibai. Who was the wife of Hiralal Shastri who participated the Jaipur, that was named the Ratan Shastri, which was related to the Alwar Kisan movement, that was known as the Sita Devi. Who was the woman associated with the Shekhawati Kisan movement, name is the Durga Devi. Durgavati, the woman related to the Alwar Kisan movement, that was named Sita Devi. And who was the woman associated the Shekhawati Kisan movement, that was the Durgavati Devi. तो अलवर में सीता देवी है, जबकि सीकर शेखावटी रीजन में है दुर्गावती देवी. Which is the following is the mind born daughter of the Gandhiji, that was known the Srimati Satyabhama. Granddaughter of the Kesari Singh Bharat, इनका नाम है नागेंद्र बाला. Who is the volunteer प्रजामंडल मूवमेंट एस्टेब्लिश? महिला परिषद. नेम इज द शांति त्रिवेदी, जिन्होंने उदयपुर के अंदर एस्टेब्लिश किया था. विच वुमेन शेखावटी लेड टू द किसान मूवमेंट? दैट वॉज किशोरी देवी जो थी, ये शेखावटी रीजन से थी, इन्होंने किसान मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया. was the first woman राजस्थान एंड द फर्स्ट इंडिविजुअल टू रिसीव पद्म भूषण? तो ये थी जानकी देवी बजाज, जिन्होंने पद्म भूषण को रिसीव किया था. What was the name of the newspaper started by the मुंशी सामर्थ्यदान? The name was राजस्थान समाचार. त्याग भूमि को हम कहते हैं हरिभाऊ उपाध्याय ने इनको लिखा था. थ्रू विच न्यूज़पेपर विजय सिंह पथिक popularized the बिजोलिया? दैट वाज द प्रताप. विच न्यूज़पेपर द विजय सिंह पथिक popularized the बिजोलिया पीसेस मूवमेंट? दैट वाज द प्रताप. Jai Hind is related to the Kota. Tarun Rajasthan, that was related to Byawar. Naveen Rajasthan Ajmer, and the Rajasthan Kesari from the Kota. So Naveen Rajasthan is related to Ajmer. Jagti Jok is the Rajasthan Language Literature Culture Academy, that was in the Bikaner. तो जागती जोक का है बीकानेर में. मारूवाणी, दैट वाज वीकली मैगजीन होती है लैंग्वेजेस की. बिजोलिया किसान मूवमेंट में प्रताप जो था, दैट वाज मैनर. विजय सिंह पथिक यूज विच न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिश फ्रॉम द कानपुर? नाम था उसका प्रताप. चूज द फॉल्स बताना था. इसमें है कि इट वाज नॉन फॉर द क्रिटिसिज्म ऑफ द एजीजी, दैट इज यहाँ पर कुछ क्रिटिसिज्म नहीं हुआ था. विच न्यूज़पेपर एक्सपोज द स्पेसिफिकेशन ऑफ द ब्रूटलिटी? सागरमल गोपा, दैट वाज द प्रजा सेवक. ठीक है. फ्रॉम विच वॉज द प्रजा सेवक वीकली न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिश बाय द अचलेश्वर प्रसाद शर्मा? नेम इज द जोधपुर. Editorial work which is the following newspaper was not done by the Jay Narayan Vyas? That was Naveen Rajasthan is not done. Which is the following English weekly magazine whose editing was done by the Jay Narayan Vyas? That was the Peep. जो था इसका हुआ था. ठीक है. Which daily newspaper published by the Somnesh Joshi? That was Riyasati was from the Somnesh Joshi. Which newspaper exposed the motive of the Maharana Jodhpur to join the hands by the Pakistan? That was Riyasati. Who is the first editor of the Rashtraduta? That was the Somnesh Joshi है इनका नाम. Which is the following first bi-monthly newspaper in the Rajasthani language? That was आगीबान bi-monthly आता था. नेक्स्ट विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग हैंड रिटन न्यूज़पेपर है गौरी शंकर उपाध्याय के? दैट इज़ द सेवक क्या है? एक हैंड रिटन है, और ये गौरी शंकर उपाध्याय के हैं न्यूज़पेपर. नवज्योति द वीकली न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिश इन द 1936, दैट इज़ नॉन एज द कैप्टन दुर्गा प्रसाद चौधरी. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट इज राजपूताना गजट, दैट इज़ द मौलवी मुराद अली राजपूताना गजेटियर. दैट वाज द मौलवी मुराद अली. एंड राजपूताना Herald is the Hanuman Singh. And Rajasthan Times, that was the Bakshi Lakshman Das. That was the Rajasthan Times. Bakshi Lakshman Das. अब है एक लास्ट है इसका. सो इसमें है which of the following are pairs about the notification Rajasthan not correctly matched बताना था. United Rajasthan and the Matsya Union, that is the Greater Rajasthan? No, it is wrong. Actually अलवर भरतपुर धौलपुर करौली मत्स्य में आते हैं. झालावाड़ बूंदी बांसवाड़ा डूंगरपुर कोटा प्रतापगढ़ किशनगढ़ टोंक शाहपुरा कुशलबाग ये आते हैं राजस्थान संघ में. और राजस्थान संघ में जब उदयपुर को मिलाते हैं तो वो कहलाता है यूनाइटेड राजस्थान. ठीक है. विच कमेटी रिकमेंड द मर्जर ऑफ मत्स्य संघ एंड ग्रेटर राजस्थान? इसको हम कहते हैं शंकर राव कमेटी. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मत्स्य संघ? इनकरेक्ट बताना था. महाराजा ऑफ करौली ऑफ द राज प्रमुख बने थे क्या? नहीं बने थे. ठीक है. कौन थे? धौलपुर के थे आई थिंक. तो फॉर्मेशन हुआ था ये यूनिफिकेशन के समय. इसको मुंशी ने इसको गिवन दिया था. प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ मत्स्य संघ वॉज द शोभा राम कुमावत थे उस समय. व्हाट टाइम ऑफ द टोटल प्रोसेस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल यूनिफिकेशन ऑफ राजस्थान? दैट वाज 8 साल 7 महीने और 15 दिन. विच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट अबॉलिश द इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ राज प्रमुख? दैट वाज द 7th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट. When the Matsya Sangh was merged in the Rajasthan, that was the May 15, 1949. Who inaugurated United Rajasthan? That was the Jawaharlal Nehru. When the Ajmer Mirwada merged, that was merged in the 1 November 1956. On 25 March, when the Rajasthan Sangh was created, which one of the following group princely state was not part of Sangh? Udaipur, Dungarpur, Banswara, Pratapgarh is not. On whose propose was the Matsya Sangh given the name was the K.M. Munshi ने दिया था. Who is the Maharaja Jodhpur state at the time of the integration of princely state of Rajasthan? That was Hanwant Singh. V.T. Krishnachari was the Diwan, that was Diwan of Jaipur. Which is district included the Matsya Sangh? तो यहाँ पे अलवर, भरतपुर, धौलपुर और करौली थे. यूनिफिकेशन ऑफ राजस्थान वॉज कम्प्लीटेड इन दैट वॉज 7. इसमें टोटल स्टेप्स थे. महाराजा भूपाल सिंह ऑफ मेवाड़ बिकम द महाराजा प्रमुख ऑफ द राजस्थान इन द 1949. ऑन विच प्रपोज द मत्स्य गिवन नेम दैट वॉज के एम मुंशी. who founded the Samp Sabha, that was the Govindagiri. 25 March, when the Rajasthan Sangh was created, which one of the following group of the princely state was not part of Sangh? So उदयपुर, डूंगरपुर, बांसवाड़ा और प्रतापगढ़ ये इसके पार्ट नहीं थे. So these some questions